For some of your customers, off-roading isn't just a weekend hobby, it's a lifestyle. That means if your shop wants your off-roading customers happy, you've got to do a little more than just put on new tires and call it a day. In this video, let's talk about how to connect with off-road customers and turn a one-time sale into a long-term partnership. The off-road market is huge, and with that comes a lot of variety in vehicle type, parts, and use cases. Some customers are weekend warriors, while others are full-on off-road junkies who push their tires and vehicles to the limit. That being said, the good news is that variety also creates opportunity. Off-roaders, especially those who may just be starting out, don't just want parts. They want knowledge, support, and confidence in the work your shop does. If you treat their vehicle like your own, you're not just selling tires, you're earning the customer's trust. With that in mind, remember, there's a big difference between a truck pulling a camper to a state park and one that crawls over boulders, so preferences will differ from customer to customer. Ask the right questions to figure out how that vehicle gets used. The more you know, the better you can recommend the right tire for their use case. If your customer or advisors are having trouble picking the right tire for the application, inspect the vehicle. Some clues, like a beat-up hitch, could tell you everything you need to know. Say the hitch has noticeable use to it. That means the customer's truck is doing a lot of towing. Maybe your customer has add-ons like trans-coolers or winches. That means they may be big into off-roading. These details will help you iron out which tire is best for your customer's use case. Do you want to earn a little more respect from customers? Make sure rotations are up to date and remind them when they are needed. A lot of off-road vehicles carry full-size spares, which makes rotation patterns more complex. However, rotating 5 tires properly will extend tire life and balance out wear, especially on aggressive tread patterns. For more tire and service videos, don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. I'm Christian Hinton, coming to you from the Tire Review Continental Tire Garage studio at Babcox Media. Thanks for watching. See you next time.